You do it every day. You think it's helping your skin, but dermatologists are warning. This one common habit might actually be aging you faster. Wrinkles, dryness, irritation, all from something hiding in your daily routine. Today, we're revealing the skincare mistake most people are making and how to fix it fast. Stick around, your skin will thank you. Skincare is booming. Serums, cleansers, toners, treatments, there's a product for everything. But here's the irony. Sometimes, it's not what you're missing. It's what you're doing too much of. In today's video, we'll break down the most common skincare habit that leads to premature aging, why it happens, and what science says you should do instead. The habit. Over-cleansing your skin. You heard that right. Washing your face too often or using harsh cleansers is one of the leading causes of skin barrier damage. It strips your skin's natural oils, disrupting its microbiome and protective acid mantle. The result? More sensitivity, increased inflammation, accelerated wrinkle formation. What happens when you over-cleanse? Your skin is naturally designed to protect itself. It has a lipid barrier that holds in moisture and keeps out irritants. When you scrub it raw or use strong surfactants like sulfates, you remove the oils that keep your skin elastic and hydrated. This leads to micro tears, chronic dryness, loss of collagen over time. Even worse, over-cleansing triggers a rebound effect. Your skin tries to compensate by producing more oil, which leads people to cleanse even more, creating a vicious cycle. Hot water, the hidden culprit. Do you use hot water when washing your face? That could be aging you too. Hot water increases transepidermal water loss, a fancy way of saying it dries out your skin faster. Dermatologists recommend using lukewarm water, limiting face washing to twice daily at most, skipping harsh scrubs or foaming cleansers with sodium lauryl sulfate. Using the wrong cleansers can lead to a barrier breakdown. Not all cleansers are created equal. Foaming or exfoliating cleansers with alcohol, acids, or high pH levels can erode your skin's barrier. Here's what to avoid. Sulfates, alcohol-based products, high-fragrance cleansers. Instead, choose cream or gel cleansers with ceramides, glycerin, or hyaluronic acid. A low pH level, around 5.5. Dermatologists. Explain the long-term damage. We spoke with experts. Dr. Jessica Wu, a Harvard-trained dermatologist, says, "Your skin is not a greasy pan that needs scrubbing. It's a living organ. Over-cleansing weakens your skin's ability to retain moisture, and dehydrated skin reveals itself as fine lines, crow's feet, and sagging earlier than expected." Many of her patients in their 20s and 30s are already experiencing premature aging because of this simple mistake. The fix. How to restore your skin barrier. If you've been over-cleansing, don't panic. You can reverse some of the damage. Here's how. 1. Switch to a gentle barrier-supporting cleanser. 2. Cleanse once at night only, unless you're sweaty in the morning. 3. Moisturize immediately after cleansing with ingredients like ceramides, niacinamide, and squalane. 4. Use a hydrating mist or essence during the day. 5. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen daily. Drinking plenty of water and shielding the skin from the sun are key to a quick recovery. What about makeup and pollution? If you wear makeup or live in a polluted area, double cleansing is okay, but do it wisely. Step 1. An oil-based cleanser to lift debris. Step 2. A gentle cream cleanser to rinse clean. No scrubs, no stripping, just support. Bonus tips from dermatologists. Don't use face wipes. They often contain alcohol and fragrance. Clean your pillowcase every few days. Avoid touching your face unnecessarily. Don't follow fads. Follow your skin's needs. Remember, healthy skin has a balance of oil, hydration, and bacteria. Too much cleaning disrupts that balance. So here's the truth. You don't need 10 products or a complicated routine. You need balance, not aggression. Stop scrubbing your skin into submission. Start supporting its natural defenses. Tell us in the comments, have you been over-cleansing? Hit like if this video helped you, and subscribe to Healscape BDS for more dermatologist-backed tips every day.